Okay guys, welcome to another quick review with Andy, and today we're looking at the Tozo A1 earbuds. Now these are a budget pair of earbuds that have had a lot of orders online, so I'm very keen to open up the box, have a look at them, try them on, and finally give our opinion about what we think of them. So let's not do any longer. Now to start with, there's the packaging from Tozo. Again, kind of plain, straightforward packaging. And there's a bit more about the different kind of ones you can get too. There's quite a few different colors there. We've obviously got the black ones today. I'm just going to take a look and open up the box and see what comes in it. So again, there's the earbuds there. So very straightforward, plain packaging. There's no real bells and whistles on there. And again, this is because there's budget earbuds. That's what you'd expect. Pull out the box, and there are the earbuds just there. As you can see, they look all right, quite nice. A bit more about the instructions about how to use them. I'm just going to take a look at the earbuds themselves. So we've got the light kind of blue-grey colour on here. Let me go have a look which one it is actually. It's light blue, I'd say. Very small case. It's a lot smaller, probably say, than a biscuit. That's how wide it is as compared to my finger. To give you an idea for the size. So very small. USB-C charging, as always. Battery indicator lights at the front there. Taking a look, and there's the earbuds just there. So it looks like just kind of like just a plasticky look, kind of standard plasticky look that you get with these kind of earbuds. Nothing spectacular, but then again, you're not paying spectacular amounts for the price either. So there's always trade-offs in this life, isn't there? Always trade-offs. So again, there's the earbuds there. So take a close look at the earbud. There it is just there. So there it is there. Take it off. And there it is just there. So you can see there's a microphone just there. Again, nice size. The Tozo logo at the top there as well. It's a nice little touch actually. Just going to put them into the case. So pop them in. Pop that one in and then pop this one in. So they're closed. So it closed quite quickly, didn't it? So there they are in the case, as you can see. And there's the charger. Open that up, close it. So it looks like these might actually not have any charge in them. Oh wait, there we are. So you got to hold them down for it to work. There, it's burst into life, see? There it is there. You take them on and the light goes up. So most earbuds these days are pre-installed with the earbuds. As you see the red lights flashing there. Again, magnetic like the rest of them normally are. But these look inexpensive. Very keen to kind of try them on and see what kind of like the sounds like. Features wise, having a bit of a look, doesn't seem to be too much in here. You've got the Tozo app that you can use. You've got smart touch control on there. You can turn them on, turn them off. Pretty straightforward controls really. You've got the USB-C charging cable there as well. And some ear tips as well. Which is a nice little touch actually if they don't fit too well in your ears. Let me go put them into my ears now. You'll be waiting for that. So there they go. Again, the bud design. A lot of earbuds I use are actually this bud design. So they fit there in the ears, as you can see. They're just there. They fit quite well. Not moving around at all. So let me go and get the app and have a bit of a look at, I guess, what the music's like. So again, I could hear it just connect just then as soon as I took out my phone. A very fast connection, which is good. And we go and look at the, so what are you connecting to? So it's Tozo A1. Now I've also done other Tozo reviews as well, which you could probably see in the description below. Okay, there, just connected to the phone just then. It took about a minute to do it. I had to hold down the buttons a couple of times, but it's finally connected. So now I'm going to go and try the music again. Now there's no noise cancelling with these. I'm not sure if they're IPX rated at all. Again, a straightforward budget set of earbuds that we just got to see if they actually get the job done. So I'm just going to play some music on my phone. Wow, they're very loud. So I play Tones and I Dance Monkey, and again you can see the music coming through. Quite straightforward. Very similar to a lot of other budget headphones. Out of the box, sounds good. You could definitely listen to them for the day, listen to some music. There's nothing too extraordinary. I think there's no bells and whistles in it, but it's pretty straightforward. First is some Lewis Capaldi, someone you loved. Again, it sounds good. You know, you're paying 30, 40 bucks for a pair of earbuds. What are you going to expect? And I think these live up to what they need to. Good pair of earbuds, nice and light, comfortable. Take them out, plug them in, put the music on, they get the job done. So if that's what you're after, they do it well. Yeah, I'd get them for kind of every now and then listening if I wasn't a big reviewer.